Welcome to DIY Creations, your ultimate destination for easy and enjoyable do it yourself projects. Today, I invite you to join me on an exciting woodworking adventure as we build a beautiful birdhouse for your garden. This beginner friendly project will add charm to your outdoor space while providing a safe haven for our avian neighbors to nest and raise their young. You don't need advanced carpentry skills or fancy tools to get started. We'll use simple materials readily available at your local hardware store. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing protective gears like safety glasses and gloves while working with tools and materials. Before we dive into the construction process, let's understand the different types of birdhouses and their features. This will help you select the right design to attract specific bird species to your garden. You can choose from various styles and sizes, catering to the preferences of different birds. Now let's make your birdhouse visually appealing. Get creative by painting or staining the wood to add a pop of color and protect it from the elements. You can also consider adding decorative elements such as unique pattern, carving, or small accessories to make your birdhouse stand out in your garden. Placement is crucial for attracting birds to your birdhouse. Find a suitable location that offers protection from predators and harsh weather conditions. Consider the height, orientation, and nearby vegetation when choosing the perfect spot. Building a birdhouse is a rewarding experience and it offers a valuable contribution to wildlife conservation. By providing a safe and comfortable nesting place, you'll be able helping birds thrive and raise their young. Enjoy observing the lively activity and beautiful melodies that will fill your garden. So, gather your tools and let's get started on this woodworking adventure together.